Yenyuma dear you when you make one almost swear sitting at the biada daddy de bremo. Endpoint homeopathic clinic. Or say the end to chronic diseases. Yare kwankro. A tall swa. Yes sir. But if you really want to have an end, says I yare one over 2 as ye if you nip a dreamoa, me patro a dinner back or pet. The Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic. Omacha kwang e was shell signboard e was sprinters kwan so Kumasi obahu omo chronoma boy here yade bia Dr. Dubuaten se bra obeboa wo na sa yade kuna e hawo no obetu ase abankaga mo amonya eye stroke yade enjuju ye yade se woda form na wontimi nsore mpon kwa yaresa bia de make che onyina no say Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic Dr. Dubuaten was say bomoden e na friend number we say here 0244 867068 and now 027 423 4321. O friend is here obebe fie na waba show na RSYD Novage Studios bacho so we are sini training ana watwa nwom obeye music video when ye yi obi a wo be ko ana wo ba be ye wedding ansa nhyiamudie bia de me kanfo ama on no se bomodin e na fa weni kire RSYD Novage Studio e ho na akwa omo professional photographers wo ho video takers wo ho na che say wo pese wunya videos a clear me pato RSYD Novage Studios o me cha kwan e wo enkran malama baase first crow street no so ho na obehu omo enje pato wo ye bi ana say o wade anamu ye nhyemude bia de make kire onyina no say kwahwe o mechi akwanye no metwa video no ma wo ye sinitwani wo ye nyumtuni wo twa music video location bia wo pe bia no wo mu studio no gbagaya location bia wo benya ho professional backdrop na ni just say wo mu no say wo mu creative director wo ho ono so be boa so those doing podcasting ene de aka kan ho nyina no me pa mo cho me kanfo RSYD Novage Studios at the amount from 057 47 15778. Again, read them on 030 397 4822. That is where your vision can become real. 21st Clinic. They be other diet na you come want some sciatica, the originator. Onu na ye the pacemaker. Onu na ye sciatica commander. Otimi tia sciatica yade no. Wono no wabomodin adresuko aye nhwehweme hu se ye yade bi wo ho a friend sciatica ene wa hu aduro me ba cho se sciatica chewa emfa nko bebia bia wo so de ko na wonya ya san tempestuously no aye 21st Clinic 21st Clinic e wo 15 branches across aye Ghana en crying ubehu mo Tantra Hill runabout. So what temana utie me na wie ya me pa cho hwehwe mo cha kwan e wo Roman asonda no echi ho a so wo kaso a edwamunu mu ho a New Market obuom kwan so e ho e na obehu wo mo Kumase wo mo hwea overseas bebia SOMPA FM e wo no sinyane hwehwe mo Original Hospital First Gate en hwe ni mu ho a Tachiman wo mo Old GN Bank a ho and obehu obo en kransa omben krankra park no and as a children's park takwa bebia SOMPA FM e wo low cost no a ho and obehu omo takra de omo afie kuma no 9 Texas station kai so person 21st Clinic edin komo a number obe phrase sunie 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na obi bisa se sciatica yade ne kra yade ben ko me pa cho so me pa cho so wotemen kan de wie na se usisi na mutumpo mu ho na musire bakum akopie wo na ase ho nyina ye wo ya ugye ho anji a hunu se sa yade no eye sciatica yade no ento bomoden na do we kire 21st Clinic se de maka kire wo na me pa cho ho beto entem Mama sanka say time herbal mixture. Makacho say ayahuban boedru. Kese pa. Se wenu mu ato a wuntimi ndidi. wa pia tete na yira wa appetite no wa hwehwe na chi akwan unhu a bomodin time herbal mixture ebeboa wo so hunam nyina ya wo ya eye time herbal mixture when you treat the yade when you treat the yade bit say typhoid say malaria say join this yade me pa cho bomodin na kope eye time herbal mixture ebeboa pa ye mu amutaye djumaden mu edra no na edru we a mo de abadwaman so de ya time HH mixture na the capsules eye medro eye memme so edru bema bi ojunso ana wo kyem ojunso na ne bema mu hyehye no e na ya wo ba bi wo ho tenase a na che se wo gunsuo kakra e ma no te asem na America na se ana se wa hemfie ho nsansan bi agu ho asai ho aye prekesen pacho bomodin na kope aye time HH mixture and then the capsules ebedi waka jirem adrum we America ho asemi so wo do wani kira drugstore pharmacy shop bi e ben wa ubenya time herbal mixture ubenya time HH mixture and the capsules nampono over so on doctor otafrija edin komo a number obe phrase sunie 02444 17669 02444 17669 sabre atadwe yatene denne atadwe amanfo bebre na mamopa adwuma ye enso menemo kasa adwuma ro munye binye company kese bi won kran ha wo mo pa aye adwuma yefo na se de nhihye ne tie nie aye commission based marketers and you know commission based marketers no enwuma wo de be company no ene e be hweso de atua wo ka na percentage ne de asuye papa and the but also when it je ho a bomoden na for application be dan SOMPA 106.5 FM wa kra SOMPA 106.5 FM wa kra we obi a we SHS ukra HND and ukra degree a bomoden na fa application no ebe dan yen said ebe ya wuso adwuma yi onsa ebe ka na kai say closing date no ayed 9th June 2026 when you makwa na wi obaso asene a yede for God and country no ebre na tiefo na enkomo bako atodwa ewo Ghana ha sabre eji no homena aye adrobafo womo akasa womo se de ahyentia de mu no anase ahyentia bo no ayade a womo pagem by 20%. So commuters across the country would from Tuesday, June 2nd, 2026, pay higher fares for public transportation following the announcement of a 20% upward adjustment in transport charges by the Ghana Private Road Transport Union, GPRTU, of Trade Union Congress and other commercial transport operators. And you know, said in community, aya adrova for ekua ewo Ghana ha aboya no ho ba se nyame adumu a every ochina eco transport fares ya pejam by 20%. Na sanko bo we crowd I don't person be ka ho asabu because both the NPP and NDC omu nyina omu ye nyatwom NPP NDC omu nyina omu ye nyatwom adentina make us NDC and NPP omu ye nyatwom. This anti-LGBTQ plus bill, no? When NDC was in opposition, the conversation was different. Now they are in government, conversation different. When NPP was in government, Wabra Womo passed a law in February 2024, the conversation done by the NPP was different from today's. So you don't see the reason why I'm saying that. Going forward, I'll let you know the reason why. The likes of Intim Fojo, the likes of the minority leader, Apenyo Makens, comments made. before this bill was passed in 2024. And now comments made today. Sam George. Comments made then in 2024 is different from the comments he's making now. So who is telling us the truth? Almost a bill where I want to pass, the Human Sexual Rights and Family Values Bill. They are telling us that it has been watered down. What has been watered down? What has been watered down? We'll get into this vex matters later right here on SOMPA 106.5 FM. We are set to have some conversations right here. Yene Archbishop Matthew Jenfi, President Catholic Bishop Conference. Yene bedin komo na ye bisana say this bill that has been passed. Idea womu ye happy and I say womu enye happy. We are so fortunate to have gotten him on the line for a conversation right about now on SOMPA 106.5 FM. Ebusiafo, Archbishop Matthew Jenfi, President of the Catholic Bishop Conference. Now, no ebedinko, but I think we have some mishap over there. But quickly, Patrick, not to say.
Prof, Nyamia Daroma.
Maybe I find it.
Nyamia Dum or the Nenswa Kanyahu, and then 1st of June.
Yeah.
Or the year Conca Cranka,
sure.
O start here now, can be said. I finished starting, any pie, and you almost starting in an and net abatum, and no correct. So, Ubu, a chico near Sia, Utimu say, and Crophobia, and you almost starting, even just 5 months here, but since first day of the 6th month, and a being kind of beam. Net last week, yarn and nipa bear 12. A kunya accident be you quite ya, almost free win. Tinyamia dom not in quarter near Gusuti Asia, near the Asada man. And not now, Casa now say, and this near MP before. All
right, so Babylon, I'm in Quamaras, I'm in Kobo, Yanya Archbishop Matthew Jenfi, Ewa Manos, why a President Catholic Bishop Conference, na Yeneno, ending commonary. Most Reverend, Yama Kwababa for God and country, and Patrona Hotel saying.
Yamiadum,
your expectation has been met. Last week, Friday, and Ghana's Parliament, the Human Sexual Rights and Family Values Bills, anti-LGBTQ plus bill, no, Sabri, Parliament. A pass a bill, no, a train say, your man pinning edding sa a beshasia. Adia mamuni ajana.
Niaji, I want more dear. Then so, you're going to be paying. You're going to pay is Parliament. I said, bill, they are comma president. Say, Duho, say, Nuho, Yadi, Namo, you so much that. Say Ginabi. 80 years, any year, payo.
A brabana, and Nijay baby payo.
Niger baby pay and say, there was a parliament, a fat pam, papa. And I would dear Chidama, Damre, a quaco top, Mampanini, the table. Now you push a Parliament were we in a Juma. A friend near Hesse, Mampanini, or then in Sabbe Shati. Or then in Sashat, if you ever had a baby pay you. Now, Momutu me are the two Mampanini in table soa. And no, Nayan, a penny muka. Nafe in any moana echo. Nafe in Yagene. A quite Mampanini, so yes, 10 years, or Baye. For the other shot, you said they were carrying. I am Marano Eddie at my yard.
Now, you're sure a bill, yeah, one more pass here. And Sakraibi, a woman, GDP say, what hear the commentaries both from the minority side and then from the majority side. One who a year amendment now, one would a share bill, no one.
sakra bi a wo mo aye na me menye emreninfo menye emrenini nti sha na ye dia ma ye nkrofo a wo mo enimu emra no so mo enhwemu se ban sakra no mo aye no esesa botaye pantia ye ka se mrashe begia enye samre ya na atse ebi ana mo aye sakra ye na asesa ye ntia ye ekoye yes, idea, not just I Ankara, and as a gallon of BBN, now issue where you did it. Number, yes, and Merano, it's made bra. Saying, gay, and lesbian, sell, oh, you should. It means that you make the papa or your radio, soon your newspapers. Who said, Oba ntumi nware Oba, Beba ntumi nware Bema. In that face, as you been and can't yet Yamamere Hua. Ain't you be ntumi nkwa on Church or Uncle Bonko de Euro, and Yahu yet say, get Harry in your manema. Say, this I may a few home more. Naturally, but I am a Yensa.
And said, yeah. Wakase modiama eye emranimfo no se wo mo beye nhwehwemu no ya benya abotre na se wo mo ye nhwehwemu no wie na wo mo de betum animu a de mo wakafa ho no ye besa to nsa afrew na ye ne ho adi ho nkomo Abuja Fortis, mene as Bishop Matthew Genfi, President Catholic Bishop Conference, and I'll tell you no AD and common because some refer the bill to their lawyers. So their lawyers are studying it and to advise accordingly. But they say, dear woman ajehu. And they've also made the pronouncement say, once a bill no emma kwaima oba enware bema. Enware oba bema enware bema yen chirege nsam wo sukuu mu journalist for intimate radio so embe ka ho asem say ye promote wo no na eche say e adepa edema mu but a wo hwe amendment na abana ye say gay for no e ade a lawyers for betimi a defend the omo e ade a sempune obi yade a doctor for betimi ahwe omo. And again, they also say journalists are also free to talk about womo enyema. Na ye bisa say journalists in some money ye beka fa omo, would it be positive or would it be negative? Would it be promotional or it will be non-promotional? Question we are asking on SOMPA 106.5 FM. I know, sir, our constitution, no, Emma Quine say, Obiano ebenya ni freedom and any niema. And you know, sir, you refer to the constitution. I'll be walking you through the various sections of the constitution. Tia, wamono parliament in its own wisdom, no. I refer. I'm making some of these amendments. Article 21 of the 1992 Constitution gives the general fundamental freedoms. And Article 23 no swa, it talks about administrative justice. Article 18, rights to privacy. And then we have the legal professional privilege provisions. So this was all the articles. BGDP say Ghana's parliament ejinaswa sabra meno kase yehudie esi ewo my Ghana. Patrick bibi abaka fa ho.
Prof yan kase tane Reverend Ekan yahu bi pen. Emeri bi bai mani kodru parliament. Ama ye passe but yehu de kosi we ya abai ye besre so mampani say wo buy no so buy
on so obesan
enti ye besre ekodu na be kodan tebu na apre wo de pre no hia bia so pa ye tia ye be pere ni bi won fan sign so na ye sa de we embrace kra na free yes so na onka say mu mfitiase no What can say NPP ni NDC for ye nyatwom.
Omo ye nyatwom.
Na me pacho CPP for so stand here there.
O da so wa ha, jump wa ha.
Nti na me busa.
Jump wa.
Because as ye nti omo ne.
CPP
silent.
CPP for.
Omo is a referee no.
Na CPP etiase anase egu.
Eno ni asem no.
CPP omo tiase anase egu.
Because me namu hu omo office bi ada o. Minim ebi a jump one do be cheche. Maybe our offices in be what for. Because onam kroma hu baby. Onso onam a NPP hu am office ya penti or kama or sone da ho correct. NDC for so but CPP there. Me namu hu bi da. Ebi a me na baby e wo me fa.
Some of the leaders of the New Patriotic Party. I don't know if omuchro comments at the two social media pages in the SWA, Facebook, Twitter, omu read the comments. No?
MPP funny bill.
Do they read the comments? Why ask it? I mean, because it is not everything that is about politics. You know?
Okay.
You say things on social media, and 95% of the comments, you know, and someone who make you post, you know. Jump maybe. You do this thing. Also, you're a communicator for the New Patriotic Party, a lead communicator. Then you post on social media, and most of the comments here, 90% is against the post, and you continue doing it. Now, I post Oliver Bakavaba. Now, there was no quorum form when
they were
passing the bill. Now, that me was no quorum. But you know him say uko Ghana mrashe bedwemo. When you look at Article 102, 104 of the 19th Constitution, for the general business of the House, you must have 1/3.
That's right.
Representation and on a formal quorum. But when you are passing a bill, Article 104, you must have half. So 276 is saying 138.
138.
And then the 138 that we are talking about, voting, it was through what? Voice then
vote.
And the voice vote, no better than the one who say, some of these things are common sense. Excuse my language. Jump me
yeah. Like you said, some of these are common sense. I mean, who were you in parliament? You know whether there was the quorum for bill. I mean,
you don't even need to talk about it. You just don't need to talk about it.
People are anxiously and happily say this bill, the president shall say or sign. Me bomb pump some airport and what time I sign. Yes. Now asem ko only another sign yanka. Won't be talking about this thing today.
Oh, but Nanado said, sir, the matter was being challenged at the Supreme Court.
Let me tell you something. That when E-Levy was about to pass, Mama Yariga, how they Drisu, they were in court.
And to GDP said, MPP for almost it was intentional.
It was intentional because we were looking for money.
Really?
And if we pass it, we could not have gotten some of the grants.
I remember, sir, the then finance ministry. Yes, that
was in February 20.
African Development Loan and other loans. I remember.
Yes, that's what I'm saying. And yes, sir, he doesn't want to sign. The other one, he would have, because looking at where he's coming from. Oh, but I also share about Sikasem because that year was an election year. 2024 was an election year, and it was he going and somebody replacing him, and the brother Mama is coming back. And you know, he have to be very strategic. Oh, so court assembly of Munjaka because E-Levy was in court.
So it was intentional.
Definitely.
Even the court.
I've not invited you. I've not invited you. When
So
I
what does
invite
it?
you.
He did that deliberately because you were looking for money. The former finance minister said it.
I remember.
Oh,
Remember
and you know, and yes, sir. Osayan Ganga, Yanko Kasa. We won't go back to this issue.
All right. Okay. Mamin Konami ma Mauli, right? Yeah. Mamin ma Mauli Akwaba. So that's John Mauli Pugli. Mauli Pugli. I like for nama. But who my kanam? Who my car? Mike Mama Vavamo trainer Zamakia. Mama Vavamo. All right, so SOMPA 106.5 FM Forgotten Country. So we are here making sure we do a discussion that would favor Ghana. Mali alake for man.
I'm a phone you, a phone you.
Marukuma follow alake a family.
I'm a shaman.
I'm a shamali. About time la.
You know, I like and some of our started program. It's deep. I think that the greatest miracle any man can receive. So best sorry with me to 2-9. I was so and no cry asida. Because in the okay, obi wo honma, owo bibia na nsampo. Ese say so nsam ansa na emu. Nti utumi home na utumi kasampo a danyame ase.
Sure.
Bibia nse yeti nkwemu nko ade ani da so wo ho no.
Ya bere nyame ase pese nyame de wo ababe kansa ewa haba mauli SOMPA the conversation na ye die no begidi pisa what can wetie bi ene de me so makawa ha wetie eye archbishop then abeka fa.
You know minua what some asem no Canada say enini bi aye nua MPP for ye no ehun hia but okay say last time Afenyo Markins minority in parliament omu committee omu flag bearer no o kan assembly wo honom and that is exactly what he's doing at the parliament. Also obey use the minority no to champion Baobia agenda in parliament. Into omonga some refit the reason why they were voted into parliament. You were voted to represent your constituency, to help shape policies about constituency, not to go and do what we are doing. Because as a layman, I'm not a lawyer, but at least common sense should ask me certain questions. This is because of a journalist, due to editorial process, obey to me, Eddie I can't say. As I say, I criminalize Nana.
Now, sir, journalists, I have not read the entire bill.
No, you see, that was why the exemption, because in terms of what they call, I say subject to the constitution. A dearben is subject to the constitution because those professionals no omuye juma. Now, academia, omuye research, and I who say homosexual in man and boy. These are the pros and cons. Inti say also wa research. Now all can one say ma. Does it amount to promotion of this right? No. Obia even armed robber. Wako via. Only soldier for na police for enya eto ni bop mpo ni mpo. Onumpo na eto kanwa. Ye man doctor ma doctor hwe ye cure no ansa na ye di na court. So you are telling me say me won bi na osati bi animu na doctor hwe no a ese say ye doctor no. I mean, it doesn't make sense.
But can a journalist promote their activities?
It can, in a way. But in this manner, no, editorial process, ABA, Mokako, Femi, gay, or more activities be or more. Depending on Asema Obeka or ABA, and yet I saw these people doing the Mona Modi in September, Mona Moko corners. Sometimes. Ebia kona bi akɔwura ya wo dwuma so ana wako hu se bibi sa na oka ho asema na aban ho di hu dwuma. It is not amount to you are promoting it, but bo aban ma won hu say information bi wa ha no se me ye dwuma wo ho no eno chesa wo journalist na say eche.
And you know metimi atena radio so as a journalist na ebia gay for be ye nhemudie wo nkran na omudo mo advert abanamai.
That is what the law is against.
Etiano.
You can't do that. We should not promote. But it's a American, you know. Ebia una wejuma so anu akoko pio kona biso. No one say gay activities be cause wo honum. Oh, for national security purpose. Obetimi atena radio so say last be me na meduma so na me kofa akona bi mu and I mean who such an activity that is going on. When you do that, you are not promoting it, but you are creating awareness for the state authorities to take action. And don't say as I say criminalize it. Oh, so me almost now I don't know. It is vague. They are not saying anything. And at the aya mystery was say almost say the aya call His Excellency President Akufo-Addo Hono. We should send the same thing to His Excellency President Mahama. Yembisa Afenyo say baby I want to change position. Assistant now to baby na.
Why that?
Yes, because you see things have changed. You first now are your majority leader. Now you have lost about 40 members of parliament. This is a new parliament.
No, if you also champion the argument in that respect, if you champion the argument in that respect, okay, sir, bill that down. The NDC supported every part of the bill. One side. So why the exemptions now?
It is not exemption.
I didn't know that time, dear. Man cry for those exemptions.
That is why they are telling you, if the majority will tell you, say, their other bill on the buy, and it's a private member sponsored bill.
I know.
In team for the other buy, certain clauses are also subject to the constitution. Now you need to engage wide. This is a new parliament. That is why a committee was set. And when you say a better committee. So what you say? So the committee work on it, and this is what they have presented. And I don't understand why they are holding back. Because you see, the last time that is why we criticize them. They say, now, say OCBB womu enye intina mukasa because the last time the argument was a court. Ye forward no asenti betu. Or also throw love letter Emma speaker Emma ekoye ntokwa. Say don't man fa adie yin ba hanom. Anka president to edge at that time over 14 days to assent or not to. Now our assembly will law no ho a Anka Beka say ebia based on ABCD me gin to parliament mun koye ho eduma biem. But one dia nhwemu kura e na wo reject ye. So now who cause am? Now who cause am? Who are cause am for your market? Who your majority leader? Head of government businessman at the parliament. Into their own eye he should be ashamed of himself. Say on one kasa Eddie ni group Shamo.
Oh really?
Yes. Because I don't seriously into kwa muku parliament no. Minia menti ase. No, I just don't understand it. So the only thing I see is Baumia politics. It is not about Ghana.
Baumia politics.
Yes, because if the OC exemptions now interrogated the exemptions and say no. Is it right? Obianya sem into he doesn't have right for a lawyer. Into a lawyer and say oko defending a lawyer na anya sem why? I'm Roberts in put the money lawyer. So why would because or again into my money lawyer? Why? Constitution no massa no.
All right, and to the so mamina when we are back from the break, Yabeka transport first once and this matter would be delved deep into proper. Ewaha. I mean, say, we have a Jampo, the original Jampo, the CPP. They say the CPP, the answer one hour for Matadi and Asha, we do I don't know. You ever die Waba, that you say. Because I was saying, running for so a casap. Now, you share one so omadrinchre about the new bill. You know, you ever die Waba,
Mr. Speaker, anytime I talk, you interrupt. Even when the majority leader gets it wrong,
if you use a language that is not proper, I will have to draw your attention to it.
Mr. Speaker, the majority leader use lawlessness.
I will continue to draw your attention to it. You cannot refer to a proposed amendment emanating from a committee of this House as so-called.
Mr. Speaker, that's fine. I take guidance from you. That's fine. Mr. Speaker, I disagree with the attempt by the committee of this House to use amendment to water down the very bill that our friends, when they were in opposition, pushed it on the country. Mr. Speaker, that was your argument. And where is the principle? Mr. Speaker, where is your principle? They sponsored the bill. May I finish? You see, Mr. Speaker, the majority leaders are a Democrat. Sit down. I listen to you in silence. So you sit down. Mr. Speaker, when they were in opposition, they sponsored the bill. They resisted every single amendment. Mr. Speaker, today, they are now saying that through a committee, they are amending, Mr. Speaker, the clause 9, the very amendment they rejected in opposition. Today that they are in government, they are claiming that this is the bill they want. Mr. Speaker,
Munde dinam se manya foreign call. Hello papa, what do bad to be a new? Se me feel London, eko US. Na no kwa wo kura fa me bo mamania. Na papa mo ho te sei. Awurade aduma haboko. Na ko jejesi, eko bosem penemu, de woton adanse ho niam no nso. Wo hye ho de. Wo hye ho. Eko ba, mesi wo bo aduma kura sre kane no a. Na woduru US won so manfo bo ndin sa na. Papa US hakura de. Na ko jejesi company limited ajiba bia. Wo Holland, Germany, France, Italy, London, Canada. Eba adansi ho niam dia. Obia se na kojejesi company limited. Na matese wo bie depo kasie bi e wo kasoa. E ho na wo bia koto adansi ho niam. Na eye no kura papa. No kura pa. A police station in Chenhua. Akuo ba sempre mo no. Onye mereda. Hwe, we kura no miensam nua e no bia nfoforo yawo. Ba ko obu akwase paase kumase. E ba ko so pokura se nkran ha. Obia se na kodwodesi eye bemaba e wo dansi mu. Water cement, iron rods, banding wires, and adua plywood and just said about dance roll. To say bibia e de hye e dansi ase de ko wie. Depo no nyina so eye tufo bo. Wudu kuka mu a, wo ko ja free. Akra wi ka so depo. Eni pokrase de no kwa to nchen a. Wo sa wo bu akoteman, Tantra Hill, Iron City. Amanfrom wasa bie depo kese so e wo Koshiman Kumasi sepase depo no kwa da nchen a ebi so magazine road head office no wo bie depo kese so e wo da de ntam edwu Accra road Femeswa opposite Alhaji Salia ampaba meboshen Tanoso Breman and Amanfrom numbers of man for the free 0244 313 752 and 0244 41 93 Nana Kojejesi Company Limited.
In the stillness of the morning, before the noise of the day begins, there is a sound rising, a sound of prayer, a sound of power, and a sound of victory.
Yamawakwaba was SOMPA First Service. I was SOMPA TV, SOMPA Radio.
Your early morning altar of encounter. Join Bishop Abesaki Kwambo.
Onyakupondi for Wastrano Eweye Brim, and I'm Nensaso Ama Onyakupo Yahon what yepi.
Through this prophetic platform, destinies are aligned, burdens are lifted, and lives are transformed.
We need to teach us SOMPA First Service. Our Homahe, a new TV program keke. A bra or so near Sasishia. A bro Nankupon Kasa Chenema.
Set your alarm, tell a friend, gather your family, and let the Spirit of God reposition your life.
And SOMPA First Service in Trawo Home Hoda. A Yajada Kusi if Yadanopa, Anopano Nunkusi Anopanusia. Fawudanina share radens na erade beye.
Emra, me pacho bra na me hwa de wo bag yi.
Bra, aden, ena so biem.
Time eba me hye ya me kan se yi ba kun. Ani wa yi me ensai.
Bra, sanya time eba me hya esia chimi ni fiefo enya de abako ebeso yen.
We de udi se ofa ni nyina.
Time eba me hya me kase me di one dance ya heaven ena de me kwa akopie. Enti se malaria we draw ne time eba mixture.
Enye enunku o de na numo to a wontimi ani die no. Time eba mixture duro no ena ye ma wo. Oba a wo fa afuo de wo ma akoda no fo. Ene akoda wonni fie dumienu entimi num aduro yi bi. Se obeto aduro yi bi anoma. Hwe se wakọ hospital anase lab am ye hu se wo atudie malaria yi bi ansa. Se o petam eba mixture enwe dudu etu a fo ani kire KNG Herbal Center ewo Emrom Abidjan House ana ba ko so wo atonso wo na ko junction.
Enu echi obenya bi atowo over the counter medicine sellers. Any herbal shop dodo na em.
Pre 0244 417669.
Ayo, set time no TIME. Time herbal mixture. Afi malaria fever bi adani ziba ewo munu betu ako.
FDA aji ejodi nkratwe yi atu.
Hajia special local foods abakade enye aduane ne aduane o ye wa aduane ne ye wa aduane enye nwanwa se Ghana ha ahemfo eyi akese wadi na kese party akese se wo pe baabi a wo be serve wo ma wo ho se ye buffet ene wo mo ye se ye local continental dishes a wo bi atwa nani a Hajia special local foods e wo hacho atomic kwan no so ho no de ntie fe ni local foods ne se enye wo mo ye aduane a na wo mo tentam tomatoes wa pro meko apro jena apro garlic apro no de aye aduane se eya abontine aduane edi yenye ni bisa dabi Hajia suro nyame etinye nwanwa se Ghana ha etitire se ministries agencies akese eyi ahemfo na nanom ahema mo wo mo tenase no mo si ye bedidi ye didi eziban ye didi a wo mo se mo mfa Hajia special local foods efise hono ena aduane no ekoyie Ghana ha ba bia wo mutimi serve Hajia special local food pese wo fra eye 024 63599921 024 63599921 and answer 059 479 7215 eye 059 479 7215 na with them
21st clinic aye sciatica expert sciatica no o nerves na wo to ase na fa wo siremu na fa wo nansia besi ase ho no se ho techema eno ene ye fa ne sciatica na etimi bubu o to ase ka wo se dwe wo sirem wo je ho ba bi a enye na no na 21st clinic ba ye adwuma pa wo mu ye ntia basobo o magine wo Ghana ha ene amono ne enya asem ketewa wo mu ji international awards ahodo wo mu ji local awards ahodo na anu nso na wo mu bie the only sciatica research and treatment center in Africa bibrim ha no ebi ni ba bi a ji se 21st clinic nkoa wo mu die bibiduro ene besa o yare no masa de machine aka ho eya yare sabia yare bia wutimi de ko ne mama ade ba ko a wo magidi wo mu pa no eye sciatica ena stroke nso de kwa diabetes ne hypertension ne ade ne ade Ghana ha ba bia wo mu ho enkran ha se ye wo Tantra Hill runabout se wo free enkran eba ye wo wonsa ni fa so wo fra masaman so na eba nso a wonsa bonkum so ho na wo behu ye 0540 311 311 0540 311 311 na se 21st clinic still wo mu ye sciatica expert.
Aha! Just hot kinky.
Just hot kinky.
And your hot, just bread and pastries is say. Just hot kinky dokono noa. Ye di yellow corn of vitamin A womono. Na ye 3 Ghana so the sepe.
3 Ghana so the sepe.
No mo to dokono wo monten so. Eno no mo tu etono. Say die. Occasion bia. Se wo pe dokono serve wo ho a. Wo die frey. Na ye customize the mount. Se the wusi penny bia. Protein opese ye de ka ho. Ni ayama wo kama. Yes, we take orders for every occasion and you can customize the price of your orders based on the kind of proteins you like at a very affordable price. And to say obienim say just hot kinky enwa any de serve ya wo just bakery e wo dome commercial bank in chenwa enti freying and wo 025 60688832 na yen customize wo orders ne ma na fa serve wo se de wusi pen pepepe just hot kinky hot.
Because what I say, I'm to the second part of the show, exactly 5 minutes after 4. And the chair, because so now, lawyer Bernard, na no Edin Como, Quetia MP no. Lawyer not to say. Lawyer,
but anyway, quick.
with your 5 minutes spare of your time. But now the new bill has been passed in Parliament now. But it's the minority in Parliament, can say, and she say be or most more glaze into the new bill. I don't know what's the response of the NDC like.
So, me that mention with you for ya. It's maybe sound so much new thing why the abolition Roma cancel.
Sir, Roma cancel more some exemptions be. Na doctors.
So the exemptions, okay. So the exemptions, so basically their problem is with the insertion of an amendment. Share section 9, PROF 9, clause, lower. Near friend section.
All right.
If clause 9, no, and almost the amendment be by. No more come once. Meaning, no question will say. Much ado about that. A new one account and now more can because or they want to take the shine out of the monumental achievement of the NDC government. President Mahama actually pen a chance of the sign now about the ember. Don't mind them. Look, and then what was 9 amendments. Don't forget that also a bill now. Section 11 criminalizes any form of promotion and we am fine in Zanka. Section 9, no, it can be said to be equal all kinds Section 9 now. Or say, subject to the Constitution, a person cannot produce, procure, market, broadcast, disseminate, publish, or distribute through a medium, and then. Now, no, what's subject to the Constitution? This is a constitutional immunity. A binomo anunci will become a subject to an constitution is supreme. The right to a lawyer in any case, another in any criminal trial. It's a constitutional proviso. It is the provision of legal advice. Yeah, exempt to be lawyer be or defend you be LGBTQ on your bonibia. Yanzu no telling ya water down. Yeah, for Commission and of Inquiry and a judicial or quasi judicial body be human as LGBTQ on Comopa on us, Odia, and as we could be one dance and be copied be or one that treasure was promoted to LGBTQ. Yes, the publication of academic, scientific, or medical opinion. Professor be true the book now or an opinion and what general ya publishing about LGBTQ. I don't think you have and we are different from promoting. Don't forget, Section 11 criminalizes promotion of it. And I say, the reporting of news of current affairs by media house or journalists in the ordinary course of the journalism. May no LGBTQ. It is LGBTQ. The LGBTQ. So we sought to emphasize it said to be reported news that are current affairs and what the ordinary course of the journalism. It's not a crime. It's different from promotion. The would radio no so now promote LGBTQ yeah the Papa Young Cosonedia and the Amgano under Section 11 would deal with you. So we are saying I don't know why this now you see for your another reverend no mean fan can be you are making one in the matter. I tell the MPP people a person another committee member. You are not a member of the Constitution and Legal Affairs Committee. And ask your members from we got here. From one radio to the other because you are a sponsor. Okay.
But lawyer, maybe how can see I'm a war on say why was the same constitutional argument not made when Apenyo Markins raised a similar softening position at 2024?
He was the leader of government business. Whom are you asking this question? If you thought there was a challenge with it, that's why we're pushing for something to be done with it. You see, listen, nobody deceived. It was not that way you were put one side. He didn't have the will on the ground to do. So, Africa 106 now. President, I won't fire. If I say, yes, someone can feel, no one can say, no, I have it. There is a problem. Whatever general advice, if you want to be a parliament, look at it again. One of the bill on the ground, it tells you that he didn't have the will to do it. So let nobody deceive you, say it was because of certain things they won't see and one and look, that bill was as good as what we have today. What we have today is just an overemphasis. Say, Bakumi, you be a hot one, and no, not in Yambra, and you know. For instance, there are a complicated privilege and evidence. Evidence decree no extra say so we have to be against the but or you're immune from being used against him. It's right. But what is important is that we are criminalizing any form of LGBTQ and its promotion and funding. And that has not changed. It is the same thing before, it is the same thing now. And I'm couple factors that and come on, I say, oh, the LGBTQ come on. Look the difference. Look, it is neither here nor there. Let nobody deceive you. That bill, there was nothing wrong with that bill. The DNA won't be correct. The president chose not to thanks to it instead of saying the secretary chose that by. Because the question I asked, I say, or do you cry you know who you will? You don't mean him to one different. So, and then I'm over there as a afterthought argument.
Matisa, Matisa, Reverend in Tim for your Casse. The exemption clauses, you know. Mofa kweti kwan bi so na mo de fa so a mo introduce. Member of the committee or two foot medical. He is not a member of the Constitution and Legal Affairs Committee. He is not a member. So what is he talking? I don't know. Can't trust that. Member of Parliament should not be doing this. You are a member of the committee. And you have to say, good enough there. Santampuli is a member of the committee. Honorable Asumedu is a member of the committee. Honorable India is a member of the committee. Have you heard them speak? When you're a member of the committee and you are alleging whatever against the committee, won't come. Do you want to be small girl? It is only one of the sponsors. If you are a member of the committee, get the difference. The committee that deal with this matter and bring the report is the Constitution and Legal Affairs Committee. Sponsor a member. And then thrown on an amukasa. This is the Reverend Minister. Just that. It should stop it. You know, now, on our track, on square, Kamabu, Yatro, what is honorable as Antampuli, what is honorable India, what is honorable as Medu, what is your man? When they got small girl, then, Sana Parliament, yet, you have small girl with the ashes. And you know, Summit was here, dear. Not all the 276 MPs, you know, were fully briefed on this professional exemptions. Is that really the case? It was brought to the chamber. And on the report, you know, at the bar chamber, so on the buy. Say, young share, liar, young consider. And he was there. You have to just to, speak your opinion. The question you should ask him, they said, on the day, you vote, did he vote yes or no? On the vote. These are say vote yes or no. Apart from on 3 media out, we go in, over 2 yes or no, one country. You should stop this. The bill has been passed. As president, Nana Akufo-Addo failed to be the hero of our values and custom. He failed. President Mahama is in to restore that, hope and dignity for the people of Ghana. And that surely will be done. Member of the committee, who can committee as well. But who say, Oliver Bakavama was why you post be. Now I'm supposed to trend the pass now Parliament one for me quorum and I'm pass yes I bill. Forget it. Quorum if you check Article 102 and 104. There is always that quorum of 1/3, and then if we have to take a decision more than half. It is true. But what happens in practice, unless you raise it on the floor, it is presumed that we have a regular quorum. Nobody raises it. I don't know need them already quorum. Young quiet, you want it. Young quiet. All the time, someone can multiply the for what floor or already quorum. I don't worry. But no, believe it's a quorum issue. I know it's Babakam or Bama with the ban on your own Nebeka. And who are just empty now? What they are. Did anybody raise the issue of quorum? Go and check our record. To be raised here. We have moved past there. The bill is being processed. It will be sent to the president. It will be assented to, and it will become law. Nobody, not upon some year or paper side, we will not put that person. You pass this law, whether rain or shine. Well, Mama was in the way pass one more prima. But Wednesday we'll be looking forward to seeing you over here so we can continue with the discussion right here. 16 parts for besa kwa manu sisi na yene Samuel Amwa, deputy PR person for GPRTU. We are hearing that there is some breaking news. 20% proposed increment. When it comes to our fares in this country, what we are hearing is that enyadia ebe baso. Echino yepese yeni GPRT fo anka se di nkomo no mutu omenum tu na yenkunku tie mfiri wo mo ho ebusua fo ma menka o se dwumadie yi ye wonyimeku a wo maso asena de biara da ye de brewo time herbal mixture makachiro se ya hoban boadru time HH mixture eye man memedru kama papa endpoint homeopathic clinic or say the end to chronic diseases 21st clinic wono de sciatica mu sciatica ya wa wenya sciatica pa de all the form nature kwan or better the tape na mami sanka o say RSYD Novigi Studios wo so esoya sere na makachira o be sha ase no me say adwumakuo bi epe adwumaifo ama omo aye adwuma say ukura we SHS ana we HND ana we aye degree a me patch up modern for application bra SOMPA 106.5 Mrs. ya na adwuma kese bi adwuma chenchenche bi apiem na adwuma we no say ya fawa ya begina commission so na ye de twa kai say last day no 9th of June 2026 when you make wa ma so asra anyway for God and country ya bro live here on SOMPA 106.5 FM me no say Lawyer KK7. What can I say? Well, you're bringing me Cassia Pa. Who call MPP among your Kudumoa. Me name the bread dear. Appointments are who do me within the new patriotic party. I say, maintaining count. Anna, lawyer, me boy, Anna.
ABOTCHIE, yeah, Medasi Baby, Manya Quanya. Menya kwai ma menka ne sa me kasa ma MPP na I don't see a position. You don't have to be up there.
Oh, sir.
You need to yes.
I don't see a position.
Me chete fu nyina na why interview me your lawyer wakasa. Na ma me bribru bi ani so say yes be a subject to the constitution. Which act in this country and which section of any act is not subject to the constitution of the Republic of Ghana? Which one?
All of them.
All of them. So why I dare say no can. I dare say no can say because say subject to the constitution. Every act, every law, every whatever is subject to the constitution of Ghana.
Okay, so you hold the line. Wait.
Is he a member of the committee?
No, wait, I'll come back to you.
Is he a member of the committee?
Wait, I'll come back to you. My main core man, so I mean Samuel Amwa or a deputy PR person for the GPRTU. Samuel Ampacho I want to say. Yeah, who yeah, anyway, yeah, my baba for God and country. So now, and Komono, you're not here. Sir, Yamia Dumochina, Ashanti Abumu Pigeon. But there's a contrary and Komo, and also Chese, and Maso. They are in the Emfa.
That's the prof. My name is Chiao, and of course, now, Obobin and Namabe from 20 times in na pay increment bi e ba china na prof say anytime I pay increment e ba no ya na say dia me no mi ni ta ka say e ko any transport ministry sia e di won ko mo ni na ya dia na we no ko mo ya da for some time now and em say pressure bi e fi be ba no na em say e ya gi nsem en na ma first release no e kan ba bon ti quickly no transport ministry can FPG na and then also I'm saying a new price window be ever be in there and my change but I'm buying this one is what by 2% then we bet the woman and also agree by 6.20%. It's transport minister no leadership to no and in our position the next price window no is all kakra be famba it's in penifon ko so ani asen kapon nkasa no munya abotre na that proposed incremental it be more agitated me ade no na yen share ni go to the next price window no dey ye be we see that ma that e can say release
you know, information and nam abe phone tintan video no so no internet no so no. And no sana GPRT sana munsa shasi you ana.
Yeah, and look who's there. You know how wrong. You baby, I want pressure no. Expecting him to position and responsibility to me and share and next one I have Copatania Manima. 18 and Copa is our Saturday and the time yesterday. Emma, the previous week, administration, them to be administrated this year. So you have to go for it, Yaman Pressure. A column now, you're both moving to the time when you buy. And the time I'm carrying and a quickly, you know, but you put some also a need now. And
and you know 20% from Ochinano and Yadia Basso. And the Kabivicha driver for you.
And then I'm a couple years so I catch him and my driver for me. I think no matter brown. Mobia and Koto, and so. Lamping Fusia, Emma is still an almost sharing to the next price. That is the middle of this month. And you know, sharing Kaka. Now, a new sentence, yes, to swap. And Dana is so boom cracker, so the best ship and the for now, dear, Ubia and Giorgina.
Mukosha, a transport minister, no, BGP said GPRT in Kwane Kushia, all the driver associations in the Nekoi, transport associations in the Nekoi.
Yes, that's a community now, Babon, Godfrey Abubri, General Secretary of GPRT. SI on behalf of GTRT and GRTC so General Secretary Emmanuel Hilliard wants to sign on behalf of GRTC other unions now so show myself.
Sami, you better was in the way. Why? Yamin count. I chair wife, mommy, birthday namudi and one frame, you know. Catch and say, why? Yo, bye. I wish for Samuel Amwa, a deputy PR person for GPRT, and artist, and then they didn't come on. Say, my no 20%. And your mom call social media, no so echo post said 20%. Miracles, Robert, miracle one.
Communicate by
the communicate bar. I was not me nyabotre. Am I there take effect? And son obey post be away.
Now, Abuchi. Communicate by Wakasa one on Gasa. When I would tell my post be by.
On and take it into our friend.
No, Mr. Say, said you buy no Wakan was a
one
I'm communicating,
baby, man, Carasao.
but I come communicate back. Some transformers and come from only meeting.
Yeah,
and Mom share. It was now on when you say. Yeah, I never got to see. What
was on when you're there?
When you say, Prof, only my debakwa, a company or moo. Ah, one shall be inclusive. Eh, sense your toy. Quite be brassy.
Ah, then also a quite so says,
oh, back catcher will say,
oh, they be
both joint in any way, you know, so kind almost every week. I'm telling you, quite be brassy.
Media idea, okay,
look at make a show.
That's a Mr. Patrick, or back show. Yeah, you are quine. Oh, Ghana.
They be a quine, was they be a quine in Yuda.
And on your two name, two in your say, I chare me chaku. Hey, Nagari for Subacase. Yaya Colezele, Yaya Colezele, Yaya Colezele, Capongo better.
Ghana there.
Now, take us about baby.
Yeah, and yeah.
Okay, a quick one on this GPRT issue.
Oh, GPRT, me that's it. Now, my mencha in a tape for you, so me momu na ajo. So omuti GPRT the idea say ups and downs. Say see ya to full mu and entesa. Na me hunu 14, the same hunu 15.
15.20.
15.20.
That's for petrol, eh? from going. Okay, that's fine.
I think
I will get the figures for you. Don't worry.
Start 15.20.
We'll get the figures. Safo pema me why. Okay, bacho ko enim.
Anti the ekeka kone de ye de nya na nke yantum. Yanto face mu because ye tumu a sebe e kan bibia. Nanso so obi so the fuel no fa ngo na eye adwuma nti no ono so no say ya antumu a directly what it means ne say ye free driver ni bottom eno dey say ono me ya adwene sa because the wodge no ya assess say onye no eno ana oje na ya to fuel mu ekonanim ne ya say ehwa na wonyina na onye de wodge na de a na just say de aban ato abeka ho no directly from the pocket of the driver. It's a driver no can be na osu for intumu a esa ogitum asam am kan na want ya se intumu a aba no
kawasam
se driver ni wan fa bia nto so a se ska na ban beje ana onye
ko enim
ni at the end of the day ni sales obeye enti ono ne kakra wan ka beka ne ho am one ne yire ne maadi no enu mu na ban na fa sika na free it is obi ka se increment bi beba mo bi entra ba bi nga se a bad news and I say obi ani je bad news or dem there be wo frɛ me better say me MPP ni aha wo ba je MDC ni adwene wa je MPP ni adwene na ya amanyosem ya de ye be fra ban mu no ni e wo say ye fuel no kodu 14 ana meboa ani say aban papa ba e mo nwa say slogan no
aban papa
ya yira free system ni
aban papa no ya yira
ye be kai wo no maka
aban papa
oh na what NDC communicator wa ka che say na aban papa ba bio
oh sir
because say ayemra petrol no yes the idea assess no enoma kese a idea assess no dollar ne ka ho inflation so ye den e ka ho meboa inflation e ma afom
abafom
enya single digit dollar so ma afom enti mu say na inflation wo from MPP abreso dollar mami nyama you see
there's one factor factor no so we hear from the international market price.
I agree. I totally agree.
Sure.
What is happening at the international market now? What was the price yesterday? What's the price today? Compare all those three. You say I three me boy.
Sure.
Comparing now to bra na MPP for be na 14. Dollar net that same. Na dollar is also around the 14 range. MPP for buying so na inflation net that same. Na hit double digit. And na ba from dollar na ba from world market price na analysis be no money ye. Eti dia ekosi ne same. And as I say about Papa Bay, yeah, to fuel much more expensive than under MPP.
Wait, Goil, petrol, I have 14.60, diesel, I have 16.46, 16 cities 46 pesos. Petrol, no, I have 14 cities 60 pesos. So, would we need a star per the information that has been supplied to me at petrol no I have 15 cities 20 pesos and at diesel I have 15 cities 81 pesos. So these are the figures that has been given to me by my research team. Okay, so you can just go
okay, at Goil service station across Ghana station petrol super XP is retailing at 15.20 per liter 1st June. So reporters them ma can 14 point something no. Either some them 14. It's not factual. This is Goil. It's not 14. It's 15.2.
Wait. I'll do a check myself.
Me to check.
Wait.
Where did you check it from?
I said I'll check it.
Where
did you also check it from?
Wait.
I checked on their board. On their board is 15.2. I have checked today, right now, as we sit here. City news. Wait. City news.
Me call fuel station or direct.
Okay.
Yeah, call fuel station or direct now. Yeah, bisa. Yeah, call fuel station or direct now. Yeah, bisa na yeah the information the amount.
Okay. It's a measurement my source. City news.
But we are going to the.
My brother says it's 14.2. On what check it? 14.6.
Okay. So Suffolk and Tanker has done this one for us. Where new prices effective 1st June 2026 at 8 a.m. Super 15.20. 15 cities where you star.
Good.
15.20. That's 15 cities, 20 pesos. Diesel 15 cities, 81 pesos. And around 95 Nidia. Yeah, 15 cities, 77 pesos. So we are doing a fact check on Goyle to you and to make available those figures to you.
Minia from NDC say Goyle and ne 14.6. On chere baby me too me can me kotobi. It is not true. That is how they communicate. Tro enomdi omo communication. Go to koya o checks na fabra. Ni ahwe baby a Goyle enam 15.20. And no any Goyle station or ene. Enti say wo si aban papa ba. Na sa aban bone no baby a enyoma course ro kwa koja baby odifu akoja na no say aso mu 2 cities be free so. Amo dia ba na no ho asem etesen. Ana ya that's why you free so. Meaning say kenyi free so a kenam 17.20 20 ko 18.
Enti obo ma bansu so.
Urefi say omo yi 2 cities be me bo ma ba so urefi. That is how I do my politics. I don't do blind politics. Say fuel. ASC am say NDC. Minimum near to them. And a reduction the buy. Already I am the boy NDC. Abaso say, oh my idea. I wasn't expecting that. That's how I do my politics. I don't do politics. The favor no now the aka. The who feel say enya no cry now oka. And try now there be that's not how I do my politics. And the politics I ain't come no cry. And now we two no mean says and two no that so I was so and can number 18 cities. What is the justification?
Okay, so the confirmation for Goyle is 15.20.
Oh, you are.
That's fine.
Oh, you are. That is how we should do our politics. That is how we should do our politics. Don't let us tell lies. Say the president, Mama can say, and try now they fra, Papa now they fra, near Chicha fra, Debbie. We won't do politics like that anymore. That's why I fact checking 15.2 that I gave is the right figure. NDC for normal who say the management of the economy. Who say yana me can now name air so ma bong. They don't know how to manage the economy. Nankaya den and indicators na say and nyoma air from nyoma a price for you be air from pa na so mo dia mo nyoma nyina.
But you see form on this one for me.
Wait there e be bom. It be the best form. But then I'm here to be LGBT.
I'll come.
It mean you apologize.
But on to me trainers to the but adjust yourself to this microphone for me. No, there be but on one just in a hona like okay. All right, so that's fine.
Minia,
yeah.
You see sometimes even we film say omudi call 17, this is call 23. And say if you drew 5.20, they are not shouting. Say yenimchi. Omuri film just recently. And inflation baby, but I don't want to go to that man. Minia, yeba bemu fuel ba ebedu 9. About 10. Now drivers for no omuti omu face as siana. You see sometimes no uko chroma the air cost will chroma nye as the aspect of our drivers.
But driver for no kase anya fuel and ground. The gas spare parts once.
So therefore the argument has always been says increase fuel they need to increase their fares. That has been the argument. What are based on what are they going to increase their fuel now? It's talking about fuel. Look, anytime we go chrome, rational are the prices here different.
Russia,
I'm telling you, prices here different. Last year December,
I
am telling you,
Russia anopa ne you.
I'm telling you,
me anopa,
me work nation
debut,
me work nation.
Tinya butre.
Good.
Sasabra kase rush hour. A year lorry first year different. Me no nyadwen.
Okay.
Because I no pay rush hour traffic wom. Me fa a year trotro a konima. Na ye 7 cities.
Then
you wait double train.
Good.
Last week Friday, me fa trotro every nima eba a year domiha. Still 7 cities. Same price.
7 cedis. Me bahanum ene 10 cedis.
Ufri hina oba.
I'm from Accra, Mokola. From there to here 10 cedis.
Na air saying.
And you also 7 cedis.
There be. Mimi can name.
Oh, okay. But the last time I was here, it was 7 cedis they took me.
How much you 7 cedis? Direct car.
Direct me on almost say.
So under what condition how much you 10
That is what I'm trying to say. Rush hour. Me work a nation. Sometimes me work a nation is 3 cedi 50 pesos. But say that you bought 5. Ninja mana ye jina hon bebre. I'm telling you, I'm changing fare no to 5 cedis. Me do be akun waka mu. Not that I can't pay. But I was telling the person, say no, you can't treat your people like that. And he was about to tell me, say, me see what can.
Revenue catcher.
I am telling you.
What's form?
What's me form? And I miss me see because kana yes, it is not mine, but me see. And I better than is MP. I need to pay and move on. You see, December, now me did drive a bit in common, and I make a chance say, hey, I feel the when you scowl because the fuel was moving around 10 and 11, and I'll say yes. Short distance, now we do 20 cedis. Full and bar from they are still taking 20 cedis. You see, I know that person driver's phone who say, almost into say any bibia bana a cost kakra. At least you have enjoy. And no interest as so mutum. And no interest as so mutum because 50 last year ya ba bemu. One can sound send a fuel prices better. So when they are almost year incremental, sometimes no they should almost
spare parts widening.
Spare parts. And yes, spare parts argument near Wahano.
They tell us.
But even at that, not dollar and on the top spare parts. And the dollar near 12.
All right, we are for my
and that 12. So argument ben open so yeah. Sometimes you see. Bibia ben e coming new near ye increase transport fare e be coming. So don't be happy. Say cost row. I mean it will not help you. Remember that you took us to 17. Who called this 23? That is why I'm trying to tell you. So you have gotten there. We are not there yet.
What was the world market price?
I said we are not there yet. So so don't sit down and play Santimonio. Say why you have not done anything. You are still on course. 5. Israel, Russia, Ukraine, into what air cost in this world. Still, your economy, Gina. So you took us to junk economy.
Me that say, make I say, well, brother, lawyer Kiki Sebe Casado. Okay, Bibi say the NDC are not better managers of the economy. But you compare the records of the NDC as it stands today. Now you the 2 MPP the one. You say far better. And say Fitch ratings no sanity.
Argument no. What pick free? NDC
wait.
I'll come back to you. Mami jump mami ti why.
Prof.
Yeah.
I'm say Eda Ghana there. Eda GP out for us. Say at least no 20% increment no. Omo atwa since at least media metie na me yam sheme kakra. E sheme in a sense say lot of course rupe e can be bia. Until now I was very scared, but it almost say they've listened to our cry, and then they've decide not to increase it again. But the government who say once a normative will suffer no, the next time no. It's also to suffer.
Oh, but say Bobo and Hobasa. In the next pricing window, no, they are going to reduce the prices.
The price of what?
The fuel.
And is the fuel?
Is the fuel coming down on the world market? Is it dropping?
I don't know if it is going to be by way of subsidy.
Oh, okay.
Subsidy they are down and a bind to me no the by world market price they need to add to me no. in as we Iran US negotiation no and now we now chawati we didn't know I'm share my and I don't know I said chance yeah before we have to think for ourselves upon all the natural resources we are Africa finding now obi never determine our economy amount how you must run it and the energy priority for us pass
on that transport minister say
na so kan energy priority for say omo nyintuma hanya ngabe koso enti me the more omo nyina mo but ne dodo na akoma energy priority for government kita omo no own private cars no omo no mo kan say omo ntum
abo shemra say enti omo ntimi onye de omo pe
e na me kan anka omo ni minister no ko share na ko pinjo a anka ebinum we crampo no mpedifo na energy priority members no crap be bomb so bo
adendra
because say na we can anya fu apel na determine omo lorry fare increment spare parts can and they've been complaining bitterly say yenti spare parts so aboso kan say that is aneti well enti we crampo no mpedifo na bomb so bo.
All right, and to my nurse, SOMPA 106.5 FM, Forgotten Countries, Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic, Dr. Duboating, or Simon Fantu and him say, Yare Kwan Krona, Adokro Wacheno, or say, it will be tra at the amount. Say, it will be tra at the amount, yeah, I was so twan among, and among mine, I was a utu. I was so bombarding now, friend is here 0244 867068. 027-423-4321. Also the end to chronic diseases. When mo be a wenya stroke, wa campaign mana yare bia cheno amana campaign mo number na me de tu dwa no wo modern now fresh is here. Dr. Duboating ebe to clinic ni nyina ade aba ofie aba be hwe eye yarefo no e de amam. Number no ye 0244 867068. Again 02742-323-4321. Nemo anya stroke ya dem kwana otimisa. O ma futuo o ma nchechiremu kwan be fa so a obetimi atena na kai se wo ba wo pese ofafuro wa ya efuro no ma o pese nge asu o dem but unya me pacho maning how but modern na for when it Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic be bi also so a on the mention ban yin ojinso na ne be mu hihye be ma no ojinso no na ne ejinso na pa mi no so me de me be wonta me pacho yade prostate yade na e ba no se wakra na obrebu ana se yade basa ene me kan for Dr. Duboating Endpoint Homeopathic Clinic e de amao hwehwe me jakwan e wo Accra Shell signboard e was Spinters Road. Ukoha ubehu omuna one omo edikasubum. Na mami sanka say 21st clinic. The sciatica originator, the sciatica commander, the sciatica researcher. Me bato sa ya de we no ho. Empempi no echiwa na kwakwa say obi na to eduro. Anaso wakotia eduro boni bi so. Me bato enye sa na tie. The etie no say e sciatic nerve no ena eho aka sciatic nerve no efri wechi ho no kasa emu ho na na mutumponum na aba be pie na ase ekobare sa na wechi kasa na ye wo ya na usire mu eho hyehye wo ye wo ya sa yade ne ye friend sciatica na eye clinic a ewo Ghana ha Africa ha a wetimi adresu kwa ehwehwemu ehun se sa yade we ewo ho eye 21st clinic ene wo pa hu adro enti ene wo adro ni de unya obebia o age 21st clinic hwehwe mo cha kwan wo Accra Tantra Hill Runabout tema wo mo Roman asodan na chi ho a kasoa ubehu omo adwamunumu New Market obuom kwan so Kumase omo ehwe overseas baby SOMPA FM ewo na sunyani ubehu omo Regional Hospital First Gate in Hwenimu ho a Tachiman wo mo GN Bank baby ana GN Bank ewo no enkransa wo mo nkrankra park na nchen ho takwa wo mo low cost ho enabohu omo na wo takwa de a eye efiekuma number 9 Texas station obetimi afre 21st clinic on 0540 311 311 0540 311 311. Medical catcher said, Edumekuo bi ehwehwe adwumayefo a wo meye adwuma on commission base. Na de wo munie, se wo yobi a wo wie senior high school. Ukura HND certificate and ukura degree a bomoding sesi a na for application no efa ba SOMPA FM a wo dome. Wo de ba ye beje na adwumakuo ne ene wakasa na wahye adwuma ase adwuma na emu ode yie percentage no emu ode yie emu ode bruta enti bomoding pa na fa ohu be hye saa enhyehyɛ we mu ebeboa na mame nkwe na mentie lawyer KK Sebe on this past human sexual rights and family values bill yeta kind of say anti-LGBT clack. Like I said, Mami deal.
Abochi.
Lawyer Keke Sebe.
Medasi.
Na de na se mukemusa.
Oh, yenkemu kra.
Na eyedenga.
Abochi.
Yeah.
On say enkran ha. O kan kran so da no aka Ghana nyina. Ye hwe afternoon. Late afternoon shows, political shows ejina ne nan so pa untimi nyimienu e wa bra SOMPA enka.
Oh really?
Yes. If you don't know, check it. Na mi bisa wo. Friday mo discuss LGBT hana, the passage of the bill.
No. Friday we centered mainly on ranked activities.
So Friday monitor from morning show BN morning, afternoon, late afternoon to the evening. Sure, BN discussing the passage of LGBTQ. And LGBTQ is also that act about baby beer on mining in any DHR. And it's a BB Bakoswa. Ye can't amount say a team will be news, eh, and ne, ye be say LGBT, ye be passing and Quebec who say, whoa, said you antennas no high and kabe hu say be passing. I'm telling you, say it wasn't on the table. Say last Friday near be passing that bill. It wasn't. Say near be passing.
How do you know?
This is what happened.
Okay, Chemu.
Because one, and I make just say the kind wo abochi. We no show we. Say near be passing kabe hu. E do be monitor Saturday morning. So all the morning shows na course.
It was Friday evening. And I mean who here?
Yes, and who?
So my pass.
It was a Saturday morning shows. They were like, this wasn't part of our topic, but omobeka hu bi kakra. So monitor ya.
And what was wrong with that?
Because even the NDC didn't know they were going to pass it on Friday.
No munim.
Yes, and I'm going to show you. What is the minority leader in parliament? When it was ongoing, good. Afei na omode saa enyoma na omayoyoyo no eba free the legislative committee ho about to the plenary ye ba be discuss enyoma ewom na afei ya hwe se de omo kan ye beji atum ana ye nyintum eti ho na one major sponsor or two sponsors of the bill Bosomchi MP and Reverend in fact, he's also my friend.
Reverend Intimfojo.
Not Intimfojo, NDC MP for Akwetia. The only
okay, yeah.
Yeah, he's also my friend Intino. I know that's how he talks, but at times, yeah, on Tone Bokakra. The way an colleague MP na or Kasa Brenna says, I know who said my friend and Reverend. No. In fact, also for now I charge. Now I charge, but he's also a friend of mine, and I know that's a style of communication.
That is not his style.
Maybe I allow him, please. Like
if I say his style, it's not in
my
yes. Enti abra omu say emra na ye de course akufu adon san no na ewo mu say we all no oyi ba bia efa your friend is saying journalist wo ho so awie kran kan betina ha discussing kuma commit an offense, and that is true. It was in the old law. The de come akufu adon say empo emra no se beka ho asem wa akrampo na say lawyer ni take up a case in that angular. So Dr. Kurakoko show bia or LGBT na emra no se nipa na commit offense. Yafa no go to
the den.
Yes, the other go to akufu adu anim no. And on the 15th of February 2024, the majority leader then, Afenyo Markins, Ejina and now so a bar floor no. And I say no, some of these things are a woman no. Yenti me share a man in womb because anya proper. Now, baby, you tested this law no. We are going to fall flat because how can you prevent a lawyer from representing a client in a certain manner? You can't answer me say no say him no. Sam George sorry just said Debbie on tia say that the woman no enya sa ehwa and Sam George beka kire say Kenya for aba be fa Ghana LGBTQ 2024 e de ko omukoi no ade omuye ya nso omuyi logo no efri o Ghana logo no omde to and the name Ghana no omde Kenya to finish omo ansisa shi wom. Sam George was telling us say everything that was in was so perfect. Say, as some MPP can majority leader can on the 15th day of February 2024. No, me and Fanya Juma. Yada mwase. And then must say, Moya campaign must say, Moba sign bill no. So we're expecting. So Moba, you know, the Omoka say Akufo-Addo sign. President Mahama me who say Anko Drew Akufo-Addo anim. So that argument of Akufo-Addo sign no. Yenyin film. Anko Drew anim. That's why President Mahama true and no chatro dia misbi chatro. Me say President Mahama say obey president he was hwehwe mo hu say bill no amedru Akufo-Addo desk so na say yen nyina hu say the executive secretary then. Yes. Yeah. He did not prevent him because they were served with an injunction application from the Supreme Court. They were served with an injunction application from the unless you are telling me that when the Supreme Court gives an order, we should flout it as an executive. That is the reason that he gave. It's in the meme say President Mahama say Drew Akufo-Addo a table. So that's the point I'm making. So nobody should say by Akufo-Addo so one sign and one sign. That is propaganda. Now, and someone can be say persons accused of engaging in LGBT activities were not allowed access to health care. Old law now. Equal 2024 no. The woman no. Now new law yabe and it has been removed. All that we want to say is say the first obi the court me injunction ba ho no. Enya noa na de to President Mahama nim so on sign. I want anybody who thinks he's honest and he's intellectually capable and me say enya no kre na de call Akufo-Addo honom no enoa ne amaso de call President Mahama hoyi enya no nko afa wo media houses with the psychiatric evaluation for people who are practicing that so ye hear from afa people who dress say bia ka wo ho no akọ shirt ade bi yes ma atade kwa o say trousers o sha flap no either is to the left or to the right and a chest say oba and abema de ba ebinum nim it is our kwakọ hye na flap no left oba de na obema akọ hye na unim kra na mra ne se yen chonko afiase and this is how you we yen hwehwe ne yin film and this is it diam pene so ubisa question ya na questions ni mode ubisa se na de na asesa ne obi you spoke with one person say sabre no na Afenyo Markins majority and assessor or a minority. It means that NDC, as far as the LGBTQ is concerned, you people were not moving with principles.
Okay, so on the issue of injunction being served then by the Supreme Court on the executive, I did a quick search and this is what I found. There was no direct injunction ordering Akufo-Addo not to sign. What actually happened was more nuanced. 2 lawsuits were filed before the Supreme Court, one by activist Amanda Odoi, arguing that only the executive can introduce a bill that would incur a cost on the state, and another by a journalist, Richard Delasky, arguing the bill violated constitutional guarantees of freedom of speech, expression, association, and freedom from discrimination. So there was no direct injunction.
Yes, you see, I didn't say there was a direct injunction. You see, there was an injunction. You see, injunction application. This is how it works. Okay,
you are a lawyer.
This is how it works.
Educators.
Once there is an injunction, the ultra direct injunction is where the court itself, at the injunction application, no one can say yes or the injunction at also. But when there is an injunction filed and that process is served on you, the fact that we hold the process yes on you, it acts for you to stop whatever you are doing. And yes, sir, say yes, say injunction say me and host program me. Obi the Supreme Court at injunction say me and host program SOMPA program for God and country. You best serve with the injunction. Now say
but there was no injunction served on
there was an injunction served. Now go serve Attorney General now is that not the executive? It's not the president who fought on your catcher and say Uncle Koto, you don't sue him. We sue the Attorney General. That is why the whole thing is the executive director a crack letter at the choir. What was he saying in that letter? Enti no mamo me yan yet said there e kota akufuadu anim na wan sign the kota akufuadu anim a yemfa nyansa enya dwuma wa yemfa nyansa enya dwuma these things I think yentimi discuss and yes you sign yes obi LGBT a me man access to hospital yes you sign yes say obi ekosha atade na wakosha obata ade ana be matade yemfa no nkoto afiase yes you sign yemma nyansa enya dwuma say ne wahunu say the MPP e ka no nyansa wom na nyoma we nyina no na eni wo se ebam ene bam a esimu sai na o ka se Akufuado de enkonkonko sai o sai hwe ya we couldn't have been here to discuss this matter.
Okay, so we are educating our listeners.
Yendum light
and then bebacho yendum light nyabotre yendum light flat trip
from where
nyabotre Bebacho.
We inventors in a powerful. It's a doom create me sustainable. My idea. We understand the system. You do like. What can you do?
Safo going. Bebacho.
Yes.
For the purposes of education, on the injunction application that you raised, the injunction was not specifically on the AG. The injunction application were directed at Parliament specifically, seeking to stop the transmission of the bill from Parliament to the presidency.
Parliament who represent
from Parliament to the presidency. So it was not served on the executive through the AG. So rightly say.
So listen to what I'm saying. Okay, it's a bit technical, so I understand. It is and yet, when it comes to Parliament, who represents what the Parliament court? When the Parliament, our court.
I don't know.
It's the Attorney General. All business, the Attorney General. It's the Parliament court. It's the duty of Attorney General.
But you are trying to bring some technicalities because
it's not technical. Didn't I mention that?
Because I am not a lawyer.
Oh no,
and I don't have the legal.
No, but this one you know.
You want to bully me with this.
This one
but
you know.
It will not stop.
I say when you're the lawyer, me I say when I represent attorney Parliament House, or the Omoko is Attorney General. So it will be served on the Attorney General. So there was an injunction. So if there was an injunction preventing Parliament, case no. Preventing Parliament from transmitting the document to the presidency. Neti Parliament found kwa. Usa jina say
initially some of the correct.
It be say yama adwini nyansa nya adwuma say no.
Okay.
Are we saying say sa mra na ye say NDC for jinam say ye ka LGBT asema yeti metna studio and discuss no. Na ya de papa na anya pese Akufuado tiana. So even if it had gotten to Akufuado's desk, na so one saying he did us a favor. Look at the year all can say promotion near the baby mo bia nyana dwene say emra we and abema LGBT are criminalized. It is not true. From 1960 LGBT is criminalized under Ghana's law. If you don't know, having unnatural carnal knowledge of another is LGBT and it's a criminal offense under our laws. From 1960 it will be catch say obani obada bema da.
So what was
good? I feel na ubefie. Baby asem ni jina kesi.
First time on rim.
Oh, that be say asem ayeka. Asem ayeka.
Okay.
Baby asem ni jina no. Enye de ono no akofa obi to anase de oni obi akoda no. Eye criminal offense. Dada. Na mom ni eye mra we say de be ya. Ebe hye wo mo so asikafo na mo nsem odu a omo share chire e promote ni ade no omo na ne e pese ye chire omo in such a way say afi LGBT
no emra na abasisi ya na chire sankrofo no on the funding
eno na ebeba ubehuru say ya water, that is what we are talking about. Say ya water it down.
He found ya water it down.
Even the promotion aspect, you know. You see, I don't have the act here. I know. You ask me, man. President Konko sign non-family. It's a year. It's an ongoing.
It's an ongoing conversation.
And you see, say they have watered the thing down. At the 18 caneno, you say, oh yeah, your friend say LGBT. You say, who engage in certain aspects. Who be come for 3 months, but your year free ho. Near say failure to report LGBT activities. Eti wo fie. Na wonim kodwo besia bi na ne nitifie. Near ba be che no. Near hunu say wo na wonim so yakwase besia eno ameka. One mekaniti 1,000 penalty, that is 12,000 Ghana cedis. Near baba be Jeffrey ho. Aden ne yakwa Jeffrey. Is that not watering it down? Yeah, Jeffrey. But first no, now like seriously. But first no.
So you want to say a punishment, you know? And you're that punitive enough.
No, that's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is say, I feel wisdom. Nyansa ya juma. Nyansa nya juma. Entina ni etimi ka kire ye say, yama kufu adun ko sign bill a ka kire ye say obi eba studio eba discuss LGBT ho asem a yan chine nkotum e ka yenya wo studio nyina ki atie akwa akotum enu ye nyansa. Ni ye se obi LGBT ni oyare a okọ hospital a me anhwe no ene ye kokọ dadwene ho no NDC mwasesa no eti asema pese ye kan nyina ne say
la keke si NC for man
ye kan say ene no de ekoso no mayen mayadwene nye ye say de de ko ye pass no 2024 no eno a ne pass no that's what we are saying.
All right,
two different
okay
and separate things.
Mami nasi but the on say parliamentarian and as a parliament enya somewhere. Like it is not the Attorney General. It is the Parliamentary Service Legal Department that takes the matter on. Please, then.
You see,
ABOTCHIE. Yes.
It's an indictment on the previous government for him to say what he just said. Say, because they were in power. Inti afenyo Mike is wenu yet or share your medic. Yes, oh please.
You know,
that is what no. I mean, sometimes
you had your time right.
I am not a lawyer, but I'm doing common sense analysis here. Say, afenyo markets I know. Ojinemu e-levy work out mpo. Emma ye passy e-levy. The say way loss numu. No obeka say yemfanko ne enko passe. Abba. Some George back when didn't be no at that time compared to Afejo Marquis. The point is they do not do diligence. Now even let's admit for the purpose of this discussion say it was bad law then. So the question is must we pass the bad law?
And na some George na almost sponsor bill ne dan no. Na wo mu nim say so that
is why
Afenyo Markins was on his feet saying, say, and Kebeya, ye cherish ankrofona instead of say, they should subject them to community service.
We are talking about
and one casano.
We are talking about 137 plus independent 138. You understand me? But whatever they wanted to push through, they pushed through. So if they wanted to overthrow this bill, please.
Debbie, I've asked you a question.
That's what I'm trying to tell you. Say now, they said it is subject to the Constitution.
But so yesterday it wasn't the subject.
So
to
they have made it clear because that was then the Afenyo argument. Say, then people will be filing to the Supreme Court for interpretation. So what you say?
That is not what I am talking
about.
So
now the new law, it is the same thing. To say what they no say, oh no, ni say ya ni clear. To say they discuss discussion here. We are not promoting it. So what you say? So the question I ask myself say, the law now badon and so beside MPP say, na because what is the noise about? If it is a good law, then no it's not more the
any lawyer bill.
So what is the noise about? Say BB here. Now would you to say like say Cindy, the argument you are making now, no? Then why are you talking? Then which means your aspirations have been met.
But Mono say both NDC and people.
Look, let me tell you something. Look, Mamin Chow Abochi, Rollins echo UN Assembly of France. When he was asked about this LBG on Manistan Street, say or no embassy, Kufuor the same. Mills say British ni Fausika na memfa be Ghana. Me papa echo yendi or say it is bound to happen. When the echo for 70 by the genesis of this issue is it is bound to happen.
If that's the genesis, why did
that is
somebody say Fausika?
That is the genesis of.
You are still saying it. Genesis ni die. Ashasi o.
Me can't say anyhow. I am. That is why I said everybody took a stand. But yes.
Wabra Nanado say it's bound to happen.
You open.
I tell Hona.
The starting Komono. You are a lawyer. I'm not a lawyer, so you cannot bully me this way. We are not in courtroom.
But I know, but
this is what you are doing. So for me, it means that we have a good law.
All right, so thank you so much, SOMPA 106.5 FM, 7 minutes past 5. Very soon I'll be activating the line. Said the bear, Mosum betting a friend, I'm with my drink today. Ababoaju Mediana or SOMPA 106.5 FM. Now, my main caps a time herbal mixture. When no matter what won't mean did you, Unem Naya, Uji Wenji, when you're Malaria. When you're Malaria. On the Yananum, Omam. O ma go kakra. I say, I there menya malaria. Malaria. When you malaria, and I said typhoid, and I said join this. Because we do on the time herbal mixture. So we need to draw stuff pharmacy shop. Ya no nebe boawo. Na entra homa unya eye tridi yade ama wo body no enye hujo. Makacha was a time herbal mixture. Eya hoban boedro. Eya prophylaxis. You need it. Bomoding na pebi na sifie. Anopere wo bobi. And you may know what Bobby. Ewia no wabobi. Ubu Bobby sa. Enya dia malaria bechow. Enya dia typhoid bechow. Enya dia jaundice bechow. Na time HH mixture and the capsules no there. Hey, bema oda so adabrijo. Oda so bossy kwa match. Sikwa 11 versus adabrijo 11. Me pacho bomoding ne twatwo. Wapia tete ewo ase ho no. Ma apia tete no sorry. Na wunya bememu na wo ba wa himfi ho so nya correct we draw on the time HH mixture and then the capsules be maybe ojenso a na obre asa hunam nyina aye obo me pacho we draw ne time HH mixture and capsules bomoding na for we need drugstore pharmacy shop say the makan dada na kope bi numbers to reach say help person doctor Tafri Jaidin komo a 02444 17669 02444 17669 RSYD Norvigi Studio. Makacho says studio a bankran ha. A whole feye, a whole sunye, one more creative director. One more saw a professional backdrops. And the location be a woo here, we are nyum to ni, over so chow music video, we are sini training, over so chow sini, and con rem ama bobbing cow. Location be a pebiano, Ubanyano RSYD Norvigi Studios. And again, so when ye be a woo yet, this is nano yenya bema sami jemfi, a yen asi ye kumase no. RSYD Norvigi Studios, and I could trap pictures in I trap video coverage in that. bomb who more than papa. The baton yes, Shemudibia Tunsa from where RSYD Norwegian Studios. Call them on 057-4715-778. Again, read them on 030-3974-822. If you really want to create something extraordinary, believe you me, you'd have to do it together with RSYD Norwegian Studios. Jump over Mintiwe. Say CPP for then Amoka. What is your statement on this LGBTQ plus bill?
Naza, President Barber signed. I said they will not go issue you. So what's the answer about it? LGBTQ no. Yes, support to.
And the bill now will pass it in its current form. No, I had the for so CPP for.
100%.
Oh, sir.
What him say? MPP. O mangazangazangazan edi omo bro.
Edentra.
Inti American say they should have allowed President Nana Akufo-Addo to have signed the bill. But because of monetary way, 2024 is Kasem.
Oh, but the then finance minister.
Okay. And then the last guy, I'm just cosmetics.
Nah, say new law, them free.
Whoa, but I'll hold you on that. Me say I'll hold you on that. What me? Yes. What do you mean by 1-1?
Yes.
Some are here.
Oh, some will about be query. It's a first section by section. That's what I mean. Near ticket. Don't I say we are expecting sir.
We are expecting sir. Me I mean better some of last hours. Or some of tamak.
Ah. Oba say osi for man na
adwa for no save we pa no teach champion for na paper no I don't sign pa nenko. That's all.
I just see before I dey.
Because say no once imranitia so oba ni oba be ye we memma ni memma be ye we yen we yen kire wo school there on sign.
All right.
No maybe Asempa
80 ampa. Yes.
Yeah, now your research and I respect that.
Yeah.
But research no what the two mo no am na find out. Now register some can say attorney general enemy. When him so see parliament and attorney general. Go and check. Media no so amount. So attorney general was served because attorney general was a party to the action.
All right. My family calls why. Hello. Yeah, me ba chwa na me na kase wadarma. Collins, Amamole. Yes, Collins, Mami Tio.
Wakata magana kuatia tie ena sisi neneso wakuponchia anitomumie ni tena ewotu bio share PROF the good people of this country apart because MPP from the people of study next step some effort some person some papa wanti and unko kuma Iyama wapoto ena ukukuma Ghana fumu wamu ena ukukuma iyuma MPP for jewo mewa it means what I mean let the people of Ghana see program now that will share Ghana food because we are share here any of difficulties you feel more that president Akufo-Addo former president Akufo-Addo Dr. Bawumia MPP for never again.
Mamina was say obedient to why. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Me pacho wana me ka say wadaroma.
Pacho nana one.
Nana ma dan suma mboko de.
Pacho bibia e boko.
Nana ma pacho ma inti why.
Pacho mamembo MPP ni no wo na ba.
Lawyer Keke Sebe.
Pacho me bona paso papa. O custom men on PROF and to say ya propaganda ayo moment. Ninia, the Abawumia will be Afmetiano and they one more contesting now in the time in Ninia, after MPR, who really the Kasai. At the only by 10 say, when we fighting, so I'm not on the fight,
Baby.
No, we will turn us some now. Come and cheer through. Spend the note to Catarama, and the Sia Kumi Papa. Now, spend more. So we say, I'll come in on a cassa. I will blast him. The way I'm almost.
Nana, my young questions. Why? Nana, my. Hello, good evening. Hey, radio no mami feedback. My radio no call for me. Yeah. All right. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Yeah, yes. Me bacho wana me make say.
As usual. Me ga fete with you. Why am I me? Because me care job akonu so why am me shout.
All right. ABC. Yanko.
Abuchi.
Yes.
Edia me ba, me because because of your good generation, you ba, then I have me boa.
Sure.
Thank you. It means I'm Chani for
Chani pa mi no penny yanko.
Okay. Yeah,
time no.
Okay, you.
Nipa mi.
Anything. You Ashama. A communication we Ashama. You want to look. If I told you, call it any abine. When you call the communication of the way, so go to and about to call to Catamaso, Monteman with us. Okay? And before no, and you need break anyone, yeah. Who said, the only agenda of great, who said, if I said, we any person, now move you, Nabako, which we are there, Nabako, area, who said, Nabakuya. No, three jealous. Yes, that's actually left you. I don't know what you talking with you. Cannot say, the cannot channel as we go. No, sir. Who you been at the opportunity to be a better and in cinema, cannot manage to apple without it.
Me da se paso by. Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
Yeah, me paso wana me no kasi.
Abochi.
Yeah. Oh, baba ya na saying.
Barka de sallah.
Barka kade.
Barka kade.
Yare har koki.